So friends, for practice we will create these many pages in your website. By default home page is there, and in further steps we will create these 5 pages. If you want to create by some other name, you can make those changes, but for a practice video we will prepare personal information, qualification, achievements, contact me and gallery. So let's start. For creating new page, the second symbol you have to click, that is plus button, that I have already discussed. It represents create page. Click on this create page. Now name your page. किस नाम से आपको नया पेज बनाना है वो नाम आपको यहाँ पे टाइप करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव रिटन पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन. आपको कुछ और नाम से बनाना है आप वो ऐड कर सकते हैं. एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन का पेज अगर चाहिए तो आप वो नाम यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वन, सिलेक्ट अ लोकेशन. इसको थोड़ा समझ लीजिए. ये जो पेज आपने अभी क्रिएट किया है, न्यू पेज, ये पेज आपको होम पेज के अंदर चाहिए, पुट पेज अंडर होम और पुट पेज एट द टॉप लेवल. मुझे अभी ये पेज होम पेज के अंदर नहीं डालना है, सब पेजेस में नहीं डालना है. आई वॉन्ट दिस पेज एज अ न्यू फ्रेश पेज, डिफरेंट पेज. सो आई विल क्लिक and you also, I suggest that you also keep it at the top, that is put page at the top level. So you click this first tab. After that just click on create. It will take some time, please wait. Page is creating. Now see, initially there was only one page. By default home page was there, and just now we have created another page, that is by the name personal information. In this way you can create number of pages of educational qualification, research activities, honors and awards and so on. Every time just remember, after creating your page you have to click on this save button. Here always whatever changes you will do, after that always remember for clicking on save button to save your content and changes. Save page. Now friends, step 2. In previous step we have seen how to create different pages, but now all the pages are empty pages. You have not yet added any sort of information into it. So the second step is content addition and editing. So to start with content, first page, home page, it was initially a blank one. ये जो बॉक्स था यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा रहेगा, बट आपको अभी यहाँ पे टाइपिंग करना चालू करना है. So for that first you have to click on this tab, that is edit page. जब तक आप ये edit page पे क्लिक नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पे कर्सर नहीं आएगा और आप टाइपिंग नहीं कर सकते. तो फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन एडिट पेज. जैसे ही आप एडिट पेज पे क्लिक करते हैं ये बॉक्सेस आ जाएंगे, एंड नाउ यू स्टार्ट टाइपिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. सो होम पेज में आपको डालना है आपके बारे में ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन. राइट समथिंग brief in one paragraph about yourself, your name, designation, college name, phone number, mail ID. Those many things you can give in this first box, and every time you have to click on save button. Apart from that, along with your brief introduction, if you want to give your photograph, so for adding a photograph in this home page or on any of the page, if you want to add image, so for that what you want to do is just click on insert. These many things you can insert in your website. You can explore it by yourself also. Just 1, 2, 3 things I will explain. Out of that, the first thing is, if you want to add image, any sort of image, either your photograph or some other image, so you go to insert tab, then click on image. I am clicking on image. Now where is your image is saved, just click on upload image. If your image is present in picture or gallery, select your photo. For practice I am selecting this flower image and click on open. Now it takes some time depending upon the file size. After it gets completely blue color. Now friends, see, your image is uploaded but in this box, not on your web page. तो फाइनली आपको क्लिक करना है ओके पे. फिर से अपलोड इमेज पे क्लिक नहीं करेंगे, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन ओके. See, your image is there but it is of too much big size image. So how you can make it small? Just click on that image. Below or above that image you will get these options: small, medium, large, and percentage wise, left, right, central alignment. I'll first make it small and left align. See, आपका जो भी फोटो या तो इमेज रहेगा वो एप्रोप्रिएट साइज में आ जाएगा. और लेफ्ट साइड अलाइनमेंट आई हैव चोजन. इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट सेंटर you can do it by clicking on central or right alignment. Likewise, you can add image to your home page or in any of the pages. Finally, again click on save button. I hope you understood the step up till now. Now to move further, if the second page is your qualification. In qualification, what generally we add marks, percentage from where you have achieved that degree. In tabular form, if you want to add something, then what you want to do is go to table and click on insert table. आपको जो भी टेबल ऐड करना है वो कितने कॉलम्स और कितने रोज का चाहिए वो आप लोग यहाँ से सिलेक्ट करेंगे. 2x2, 2x3 and so on. If qualification I am adding in next step, next page, such type of table I have taken, and you can write this much information: serial number, degree, percentage, year of passing and so on, and again click on save. In this simple steps you can add home page में अपन ने brief biodata add किया है. Then one I have explained about how to add educational qualification. In this way you can add your own contents in different pages. Got it? Likewise, in achievements, whatever you have received some certificates or some honors, awards, वो सारी चीजें आप achievements के पेज में डालिए. Apart from that, in any of the page, if you want to attach any file, अगर ये आपका रिसर्च पब्लिकेशन का पेज है और आपको यहाँ पे अपने रिसर्च पब्लिकेशन ऐड करने हैं, PDF फाइल और वर्ड फाइल, so you go to add files. Wherever your research paper, your certificate is present, just pick that file or click it on that file, then click on open. वो जो भी फाइल रहेगी वो यहाँ पे अपलोड होगी. Like this, I have added observation and result PDF file, front page PDF file. Likewise, you can add number of files in one particular page. So in this way friends, you can create number of pages. Home is your by default page. Then I have created achievements, contact, educational qualification, personal information and so on. Just one thing you have to remember, first chalk down the plan on paper. पहले आपको कौन सा पेज दिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स जब आप पहला पेज क्रिएट करते हैं वो सबसे नीचे चला जाता है. ठीक है? Then second page, then third page and so on. But if you want this personal information at second, so create last page first. Got it? Because later on there is no as such option to drag it above and below. So just remember, create last page first time बनाइए और उसके बाद go countdown wise, 4th page, 3rd page, 2nd page, 1st page. Likewise you can create your pages. And finally click on save. These are about step 2. Till now we have seen how to create your website home page, that is web page. Then second, we have seen how to create different pages by going through create page option. Then we have seen how to edit and how to add content. In next video we will talk about further customization and edit site layout.